All right, here we go. Frankenscoop is back on the operating table. I'm gonna make it a little bit more usable. This thing started moving around and I don't really need that to be happening, so let's just get the all out here. We're gonna go all out. You are. Maybe I should, I don't even know if I can get in there. Probably, maybe. Yep, we can. All right. Well, I'm pretty lazy here, so I'm not really going to take this pipe out and drill it. Actually, this is the easy way to drill it. I just don't know if I can get up on it here, but I think we can. Just like that. One down. Let's go get it. Let me put this down here. Maybe you guys get some different angles. All right, ready? Well, hopefully that went to the other side there good. It did. I don't have any bolts picked out yet, but we got this right here. Yeah, move that. There's some pennies on the ground too. I think those were metal detected pennies that I dropped. Like a bag broke or something. All right, we're just trying to make Frankenscoop a little bit more usable. I don't know how it didn't really, the hole didn't really center. I don't know. Well, I did kind of do it like lightweight blindly. So actually, it's kind of hard to move. But when you put all the, when you put like the force of the scooping and the weight of the sand and everything, it does need to be, bolted down. And it's Frankenscoop, like definitely needs the bolts in the neck. And it definitely, not definitely, I was also thinking it probably, like I was saying, I might get struck by lightning, or it possibly could get struck by lightning. And I was thinking that's what happened to Frankenstein. I don't really need that. My thoughts were just pretty crazy though. I was like, yeah, I feel like I would survive though. I feel like I got one in me, you feel me? It'll probably give me some superpowers, or like advance my already superpowers. I was thinking I might be able to just screw in here. So we're gonna have to find the right bolt, which is like any bolt I find that fits in there, and then the right nut, which is like the same deal. If I can get a matching set here, like I got a matching set for you. I'll beat you to it. I'll beat you to it. It's gonna be a mess in here. If we could, I need more room to work with. Oh, what? You see how that just fit on there? What? All right, we need another one of those. I think we got them. Just right off top. Frankenscoop. Let's go. So I poured out like a million items and I didn't really need to. I just want to see if that really tightens down. It's got bolts sticking out of the neck too. That's beautiful. That's how it's supposed to be. Should I do them one direction? I think I'm gonna go this way because I might have less of a chance of catching contact with it with my metal detector, since I'm gonna use this in my left hand. Metal detect right hand. Uh-oh, what? Just like that. Just like that. We're in the game, y'all. This is an unexpected project at the moment. That's how every project and everything I do is. I don't have anything planned. It'll just pop into my head and I'll be like, okay, I gotta go fix that sand scoop now. And then I'll get tired of it very quick. I'll get tired quickly. I won't test it out for like 6 months, but at least it'll be ready to go. I need to tighten that up some, but that looks pretty good. We're gonna tighten that up. That should make a big difference. Now this is in there. It's not gonna be no spinning around, moving. It's actually got bolts in the neck like Frankenscoop's supposed to. That's Frankenscoop, y'all. Tell me that's not Frankenscoop. All right, Mike, I'm out here. Let's get it. I'm gonna do some more repairs on it too, just as soon as I think of some. If I figure, I like this bolt right here. It already had the bolts in here, and that keeps this from moving. So I might also, yeah, who knows what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna keep making it stronger. So there we go. All right, here we go. Now I'm thinking there's a bolt right there and a bolt right coming through. You see what I'm saying? Another bolt might not hurt. Yeah, that's all I wanted. I probably don't even gotta no, I probably do. That's stronger than a zip tie. And now these bolts are all working off each other, so I'm gonna tighten that one up hecka hard. See that there's hecka bend right there. I got it running into a bolt on the back. That's what's keeping it from bending all the way down. But now, watch this. I'm gonna tighten that all the way up. It's not the prettiest, but I wasn't really using, I might be able to shake some of these zip ties afterwards too. I mean, I probably won't, but it might be smarter to just put a bolt from hole to hole like that if I can, just up in the corner. It's not pretty, but it's gonna work, I think. It is Frankenscoop. We gotta find a nut that fits on that now. There's a loud TV. Typical. Typical. All right, maybe we'll get lucky again. I mean, have plenty to choose from. I should have came with the, no, I think that's it right there. I think that'll fit. I might go, I don't know. It doesn't really matter how it goes on there. It's gonna look like I caught a bolt every time. I'm just talking to myself, you guys. Well, I'm talking to you guys, but no one's here right now, just me. Okay, I think that'll work. I like that one. It doesn't, I mean, it doesn't even have to be the right bolt either, since like I could just, that might have got stronger. I think that's stronger than the other side, but it's not tightened down yet. Only one way to find out. And people tell me I need a new scoop. What? Strength. Bro, that's strength right there. I could just keep tightening it. Could I? Or should I? I think that's good. It'll allow me to keep tightening it, but I'm not trying to like, I think I just like pretty much extincted all these. We'll see. Now it's got a bend. Now it's got a different bend to it. It might start breaking from other places I didn't want it to. All right, maybe I'll loosen it up some. We just want it to be tight. We don't want to break it. It could have already been, it's not like I've been looking at what this is looking like or nothing. It's even tight right there. I backed it off some and it's still tight. Okay, it's got to go tighter. Okay, I think it was already broke. I mean, I think it's already bent. It's like bent back here, like it's, yeah, it's already bent back there. We'll just tighten this to where I'm comfortable. I'm not going to lose it. And it's not doing too much savage bending. Yeah, that's good. I could do the same thing to this side, and I probably will. I think that's what's going on. Might lose a couple of these zip ties and jam another bolt in there. I mean, that's strong. Just jam another bolt in this side. Something else is gonna break at that point. I mean, I probably don't even need to. That's probably like overkill to put another one in on the other side. I might just rock it like this. It would be nice though. It would kind of bring it all together. Maybe. Depends on if I could find another bolt that length. It might not even have to be. If I go through, cut some of these zip ties out. Just go through that one, through that. That'll probably work actually. Those probably, it probably doesn't even need these anymore. I mean, it doesn't, but that probably, let's see how much stronger it feels. Yeah, it doesn't really even do, they weren't doing too much. I think I want to go to that. I'm gonna go to that one right there. I'm gonna have to get rid of this one. We're actually possibly opening up future sand scoop holes, so we might be able to sift. The sifting qualities might have went up right there. Might be better to put it through that one. I don't want to break all of my zip ties, but I guess we'll just zip tie them again if we have to. I didn't know I was getting rid of this many. Okay. Gotta get that through there. That's gotta be pushed down. Probably don't mess up the good Reeboks. There you go. There you go. Right there. Now we just gotta find something that fits on it. I think most of these probably will fit. We're gonna make it fit. That's gonna fit right there. I don't feel like searching all day. Yeah. This is what happens when a mechanic does metal detecting. Of course, we got the wrong size. That one's gonna be correct. All right, here we go in between the storm. Just gonna try to put some breast converter on this real quick. My head mount is wet and it's drying. It's not going to be the best ever, but it's going to be better than nothing. Figured I'm just going to hit up all these areas with some rust converter. It's this one right here. It's the one I found in the cabinet. Anywhere. I think that's gonna be good. Anything that was getting rusty is gonna convert now. Convert to gold. That's overkill. Okay. Yeah. There it is. Alright, I'm probably getting carried away here. I got some primer. You know, just stuff we had laying around. It's been a couple hours later. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do this, but I did it. There's a plant in the way. Shout out to the post office. This is an old box, by the way. It was actually new, but it was sent to me and it had damage on it. Might as well hit all these bolts up. Why clean the sand off? Give it that good texture. All right, that's overkill. No, it's not. You missed a spot. Okay, it's probably gonna break right away. Encapsulate that sand forever, or till the first time I try to scoop something with it. Oh, don't get the drips going. Oh, I'm getting carried away now. It's the paint fumes. Not perfect, but good enough. Missed like all 3 attempts. Okay, good. There it is. That might be it right there. It might not get any better than that. Oh, it's dripping. That's for artistic. The GoPro probably can't see it. Drip. Alright, I noticed it has some little welds in there and they're starting to get rusty, so I'm gonna hit it up with the rust converter. Alright, I hit it up. And when it dries, I'm gonna hit it up with this, and then I'm probably gonna hit it up with some paint, whatever color I can find. Hopefully silver, but who knows. All right, here we go. Got this cast aluminum paint. I don't know if this is aluminum or not. I don't think it is. I don't know what it is. Hopefully this paint works for it. It said, I don't know. I thought it was something I wanted to use. Well, I'm gonna give it a try. Trying to see, where did I, oh yeah, around there. Looks pretty good. We gotta get the inside too. I think that looks good. And we'll be back. Alright, I think I'm gonna paint this whole thing because this feels way better than that does. It keeps on going. Back to the primer. It's gonna have some overspray. That's how you do it. Very fast. Very fast and in a hurry. Yes. Sweet. Paint fumes. Frankenscoop has been fixed. It's alive. It's alive. Yes. Now we're just doing too much. Did I spray the inside of it? I think we did. Yes. Let's get it.